Okay, in this last video in 2B, we're just looking at converting, well, simplifying and cancelling fractions, but also making larger equivalent fractions if the number you start with is a mixed number. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. So we've got 5 and 2 6, and if we want to simplify or cancel that, then we need to make it into an improper fraction first. So can we remember how to do that? Of course, we need to multiply the whole number by the denominator part, and then we're going to add the numerator part. So we've got 5 6s are 30, plus 2 is 32, and we keep the denominator the same because it's still the same parts of the whole. So now we've got 32 sixths, and we want to simplify that. So if you can see that we can simplify that down to 16 thirds straight away, then let's go and halve that. So we divide by 2 in this case, divide by 2, 16 thirds, and we can't get any simpler than that. You can leave it like that. Often in algebra it's more useful to leave it as an improper fraction. It depends on the question. You might also be asked to return it to a mixed number at the end. So if you're asked to return it to a mixed number, then again you need to say to yourself, how many 3's go into 16? Well, 3 4's are 12, 3 5's are 15, so the closest you're going to get is 5. So you've got 5 and 1 left over, so you've got 5 and a third. Let's do one more example. So you've got 2 and 8 tenths. So first of all, convert to an improper fraction. So 2 times by the denominator, add the numerator. So 2 tens are 20, plus 8 is 28 over 10. Then in order to simplify that, you might decide that you can see that you can divide that by 2. So if you divided that by 2, you're going to get an even number on the top and an odd on the bottom. So that's as far as you're going to be able to go. So again, it's a simple one. So if you divide top and bottom by 2, then you're going to get, should have written that down a little bit closer, a bit more space. So I've got 14 over 5. And then again, depending on the question, if you need to convert it back, then you've got how many 5's in 14, so you've got 2 and 4.